Hi.
Hi.
Hey, Jameson. Do we have a pattern here? Can you tell me the pattern?
Girl, boy.
What is it again?
Girl, boy. Girl, boy, girl, boy.
Oh, that's good. There is a pattern. Hey, what holiday's getting ready to come up?
Valentine's.
Valentine's Day? Who's going to be your Valentine?
Mommy and Macklin and all of my friends.
What do you have to make for school to give to people?
A Valentine's card.
That's right. What about Miss Danielle?
Yeah.
Is she your girlfriend?
Yes.
So you're going to make her a special Valentine? We better make it this weekend because she's babysitting next week.
Oh. On Valentine's?
Before Valentine's.
Oh.
But you can make one for her. How about that?
Oh,
What are you going to say on your Valentine to Miss Danielle?
Happy Valentine's.
What else?
Danielle, I love you.
I love you. You going to say kiss me?
Yeah.
Cute.
I'm going to say kiss me. Know that you miss me.
Hey, how do you like to wear your hair? Straight or curly?
Straight.
Can you say curly?
Yeah.
Say curly.
Curly.
Say it again.
Curly.
Cute.
Put it on videotape because I want to see it.